Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this video we are going to see two programs on strings. So the first program is how to count uppercase, lowercase, digits or symbols in a sentence. So for that we are going to take the input as a sentence. So I'll say input, enter a sentence. Now I need to count uppercase letters, I need to count lowercase letters, I need to count digits, and I need to count symbols. So whenever we have to count, we always create variables initialized to 0. Remember? Now when we want to count every character in the sentence. So say for example, the sentence is street 1, and something. Okay. Now if this is the string, I need to count uppercase, which is 1. I need to count lowercase, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to count digits, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and symbols. Space is also a symbol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that should be the output. Now we have seen that for iterating over a sentence or a string to get every character, I can say for CH in sentence. Now I need to check if the CH is in uppercase, right? So in that case, I'll just increment the value of CU plus 1. Else, if CH dot is lower, this program is actually easy, lowercase alphabets. Elif, I can say CH dot is digit. So we did explode methods in the last video. The link is provided for your reference as well. Then I can say CD plus equal to 1. If it is neither uppercase nor lowercase nor digit, I'll say else I'm going to increment the symbol. So here actually I can say if CH dot is alpha and it is uppercase, or I can even do this. Okay. So then I can say only if it is an alphabet, I'll go ahead and check if it is an uppercase, yes, then the uppercase or the lowercase. If it is not alphabet, that means it is a digit. So we will go for the digits and we will increment the digits. So we have upper as small, lower as small, and again digit as small. And then once our loop completes, let's print . So I'm going to enter this string only, run. So uppercase 1, lowercase 8, digits 8, and symbols 5. So this one was a simple program. Now let's see another one. This is going to be a bit tricky and a bit complex, but we will make it simple as we go on and solve. So I'll just comment out this and let's have the second question. The second question says, write a program to find the longest substring of the given string having just the consonants. So assume that the sentence is going to consist of only alphabets. Okay. Now suppose the sentence is, there is name Fleance Archery. Okay. Now the way this is going to work, see, I am going to get one character, right? So I'll have T, then H, then E, then R, then E, space I, S, space N, Y, M, P, H, L, Y, I, O, N, S. Then again I am going to have A, R, C, H, E, R, Y. Now I know how to get these characters one by one from a string. We have already seen that. Now I'm going to have one variable, say maximum substring, which will be empty initial. I haven't yet figured it out, right? Now I'm going to take, and I'll have one more temporary string which will also be empty. Now I'm going to check whether T is of any vowel. If not, I will add TS into the temporary string. So TS becomes T. Then I'll check H is a vowel. No. Then TS will become TH. Now E is a vowel. Yes. Right? So I got a vowel. What I will do, the moment I get a vowel, I'm going to check if the length of the MS is less than the TS. Yes, it is. So then your MS should be equal to TS, and I will need to empty TS because I need to reuse this TS to store next part of the words with only consonants. Now again I have R, which is not a vowel. So now in TS I'm going to store just R because I've erased this. Now it's a new set of words. Now I got vowel yes. Is my MS, which is TS, is it less than T? MS has it has TH. So is my MS, which has TH 2, is it less than the new word in TS? No, right? So 2 is not less than 1, I will do nothing. Then again I'll check I, it's a vowel, yes. I won't do anything. Again I'll check S, yes, it's a consonant. So again here your TS will get empty though. Now I'll have in TS, I'll have S. Then I have a space. So we are going to skip for the spaces. So whenever there are spaces, we'll just say skip and get me the next character from the string. Or you can even replace all these spaces with blank spaces, your choice. So I'm going to just skip those spaces. Then I have N. Then I have Y, M, P, H, L, Y. Right? So all these will go under TS. So S, N, Y, M, P, H, L, Y. Now this is a vowel, yes. Is my maximum substring 2 less than TS? Yes. My MS will become this. Now next again this is a vowel, yes. Now again I have N, S, right? So these are two characters are not greater than the existing word in TS. This is the existing word. Again I have A as a vowel, yes. Again you can see R, C, H, which is 3 characters, which is again not greater than the words in your MS. Again I have a vowel, yes. Again I have RY. So we are going to iterate, check for every character if it is a vowel or not, and based on that go on concatenating, and once we got a vowel we will compare and we are going to store in MS. So let's go ahead with the working. So I'll just erase this part. So we are going to again take a sentence as the input. Right. Then I'm going to have a max substring equal to empty. I'll have a temporary string equal to empty. We are going to iterate for every character in the sentence. I'm going to check if CH is in, so I can use the membership operator in AEIOU, or if CH is in, because it can be capital as well, AEIOU. If it is there, means we got our vowel, right? This is E. If not, so I'll just say pass over here as of now. Else, we are going to say TSTR plus equal to CH. So we got T, it is not any vowel, so I concatenate. We got H, it is not a vowel, we concatenate. We got E, which is a vowel, I come over here. Now once I come over here, I'm going to check if maximum substring dot, if length of maximum substring, if it is less than the length of TSTR, that is a temporary string. Okay. If it is true, then your max substring is going to be equal to the new temporary string. And I'm going to empty this. Okay. So see, even if the length is greater or not, I will have to empty the temporary string. So this emptying of temporary string should be outside this particular if, right? That's all, and then it just continues, and then let's see, we'll print max subs. So let's run, and my sentence is going to be this. Okay, I forgot for the space, so I can say if ch equal to space. You can also use this white space, in Python, so you can use that. So I'm going to say continue. Okay, so I'll just erase this. So you can see we got SNYMPHLY, and this is what was the longest substring in a string with maximum consonants. So that's all for this video, where we understood how to work with strings, how to use the string methods, and how to use the membership operators. In the next video, we will have an overview on the various type of data structures in Python. Till then, happy learning, take care, and bye-bye.